Hello, we always wonder, sometimes when you want to make this meter stand, you see it, this is the meter stand, the stand pipes for the meter. So you might be surprised when you're putting, you want to make these stand pipes. Always we ask ourselves, what's the distance in between? From the other side, from this side to this side, the distance in between here. So what is it? So we always ask ourselves, but the distance should be 16.5. The distance from this should be 16. Let me try to show you. 16.5. 16.5. That should be the distance for the meter, the space in between. Yeah, from the other side to this side, or we can say from the right side to the left side, or from the left side to the right side. It should be 16.5 centimeters. So we have about 6 inches. So 6 inches. Yeah. So the height depends where you want to put it, but what matters is the space in between this. Yeah. So when you put it again very close like this, the meter will not fit. Again, when it's very far, again it will be a problem. So always you need to make sure you measure. Of course, my pipes are flexible. When I was covering down, putting back the soil, so it moved a little bit, but they are flexible. They can go back to that distance that I measured. So it's really flexible. These PPR pipes that I used. And yeah, so you can bring your meter, put. We are waiting for the surveyor to bring the meter. Our service provider, water provider, they'll bring the meter for us and then put. But the distance should be 16.5, especially when you're using GI, the GI pipe. So you need to measure this distance, because dealing with GI is really tough. So it's not flexible. So when you try to to force it, so you might break the meter or cause damage or leak down. So yeah, but I always recommend to use this when you installing or you making this standpipe, to use PPR pipes. It really helps. But you need to make sure, because this PPR pipe, they don't like to be in the sun. They hate heat or they hate sunshine. So you need to make sure that where the standpipe are for the meter, or for the meter, they're in shade. So you need to find a place or a position which does not have much heat. So with less heat, they can stand. But with much heat, you always see it wearing out when you try to pass your hand here. So when like a year passes, when you come and touch it, you try to see that it's wearing out. I don't know if you have seen different pipes at different premises. Yeah, when they are wearing out. So they don't love to be in the sun. They love to be covered, but they are really good when it comes to these connections. And of course, they don't clog. You don't find those lasty thing, substances inside here, because when you're using a GI, like 1 year till you start getting those lasty substances inside the feed pipe. So you find it there, and as time moves on, then the pipe start clogging. You get those last segments building up, and then eventually the GI pipe breaks. But if you're using this, it will be there. It will be there permanently, and you not get that lasty brown water inside your tank. Yeah, at least you prevent that. And always you need to be keen. You tell the plumber, instead of using GI, let the plumber use chrome. Chrome sockets, chrome nipple, chrome meter liners. So they need to get chrome meter liners. So there's no need here for the gate valve. The gate valve is already here. I provided it's there. You could see the arrow. You always need to make sure the arrow is getting up or is pointing up, because water is coming from there and comes open and then it comes here. But my recommendation, use PPR pipes. It will always be there, no brown water, no rusty. And always make sure the fittings here to connect the meter, they should be in chrome or brush. Yeah, chrome meter liners or brush meter liners should be the one you should use. Thank you. If you like the work, please subscribe and don't forget to comment.